wanted to do an unboxing. I put an order for some hens and chicks through Overstock, and they came, and they're actually from Mountain Crest Gardens. So let's see, because I think it said that you know, the types vary. So let's see. Oh, great. I'm glad they have the names on them. I think I'm gonna have to break the box open. Okay. Let's see. Pacific Red. Let's see. Sirius. This little one, it's got a baby. A couple babies, I think, in there. Thunder. Lennox Glory. Oh, this one looks really pretty. Oh my gosh, I think this so far is my favorite one. I like this one. Lowe's 60. Oh, this is cool looking. Oh, it's very neat. Princess Little. Three more. This one's quite pretty as well. Rock Knoll Rosette. Very pretty. Red West. And that's the last one. This is the last one. Oh, I can't even, I don't know if I can pronounce it. Brunifolium? Marmoreum? Oh my goodness, I don't even know. That's it. These are the 9 I received. Very exciting. So I'm thinking about putting these in the front corner garden, making like a little rockery area. So I will show that as well. So here are the 3 rocks that are in that front corner bed. The landscaper placed them here as a nice accent. We had a lot of rocks that were dug out when they were putting the downspouts underground. And yeah, I think they look really nice. So I thought I would add some rocks around and create a little ring of rocks to create a raised bed area for the hens and chicks, and making sure that we would be able to have good drainage, and they wouldn't be sitting in wet soil. So I do plan on adding some soil here that is amended and can drain properly. So here I'm just taking out all the mulch that is on the ground so that I can add the soil that I am going to prep for this raised bed. So I have some topsoil that we had purchased earlier in the season, and I'm going to add some sand to the soil. I picked up this sand. It's just a play sand from Home Depot, and just going to mix that in really well into the soil. And this will hopefully make the soil a little lighter and be able to the water to drain faster. Since this garden bed gets watered quite a bit for the other plants, and these hens and chicks don't need that much water, so they do need to drain properly. And here I'm going to add some pea gravel. Also, this is something I purchased at Home Depot, and just going to mix that in for some added drainage. So I decided to scratch the soil in this area and be able to mix some of the native soil with the other soil that I prepared before planting the hens and chicks. So now I'll be adding in the soil that I prepared and mixing this in well with the native soil. So now I'm ready to plant the hens and chicks, and just going to find a nice placement on how to display these. I decided that I would put in the 9 that I purchased, as well as some of the ones that my neighbor had given me. So I took those out from the back garden and brought 3 of them up front to add to this bed. So I decided that I would add some more of that pea gravel I bought and mix it in with some decorative rocks that I bought at Dollar Tree, and just so that the soil, when it got watered, it wouldn't splash back at the plants, and make sure that they don't rot. And again, just adding that little extra drainage in there. So here is the finished bed. I'm pretty happy with the results. I think it looks very nice, and I'm looking forward to the plant's getting bigger and filling in and adding more chicks. So let me know if you've had experience with these in your garden. I've seen them mostly in pots, but not too many in the actual garden. So just hope I didn't just create a buffet for the squirrels and rabbits. Not sure if they eat these, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. Bye.